Hazrat Ruman, the mother of Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, says, while I as well, Aisha radiallahu anha, was sitting, an Ansari woman came and said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has destroyed so and so. Hazrat Ruman said, why do you say so? She said, my son is also amongst those who fabricated the calumny. She inquired what sort of calumny. She then narrated the complete story of calumny. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha inquired, has Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard it? She replied, yes. She inquired, has Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu has also heard it? She replied, yes. So hearing it, Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha collapsed, and when she regained her senses, she had temperature and was shivering. So I put garment on her and enveloped her perfectly. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came and inquired, how is she? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she has got temperature and a fit of shivering. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, perhaps it is because of that calumny that has been fabricated against her. I replied, yes. So Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha adopted sitting posture and said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if I swear an oath, the people will not testify me. And if I say something, they will not accept my excuse. So my and your example is like that of Hazrat Jacob alayhi salam and his sons. And I seek help only from Allah against what you describe. She states, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then went back and did not utter any word. So Allah sent down verses regarding her innocence. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha said in this connection, I praise only Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and nobody else, not even you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4143.